How to change phone location to another country on your Android. Now, this process is very easy. It's just around the phone settings. So all I have to do is, of course, access your phone settings. And then from here, if you're currently logged in into your Samsung account, if you're using Samsung via the Android, you'll have to log out into your Samsung account first so that you can change the country on your phone. Now, just simply go into general settings or just simply use the magnifying glass and type in country. So you should be able to see under Samsung account and messages settings. So again, if you're logged in into your Samsung account, just have it logged out first so that you can change your country. Now go into messages settings that says your current country. And then from here, just simply scroll down a bit and then go into your country tab. Now, it will be automatically detected in which country you're in right now, but you could actually change it anywhere. So once you tap on that, you can actually change your preferred country, and then by simply hit on save, and then it will automatically be changed. But take note that once you change to a different country, there are certain applications that might not be working. And that's it. That's how you change phone location to another country on your Android.